Hey guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. I went to my P.O. box today and I received my bottle brush trees from Donita. And I'll list her information down below. I'm not sure what she has for social media, but I'll reach out and at least see if she has an Instagram so you guys can check her out there. I don't think she has YouTube. But I'm so excited to see what's in here. And then I have some happy mail as well. That was a complete surprise from Tina over at Tina's Craft Creations. So I'll show you that as soon as I'm done. Okay, so I'm opening it up here. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, that is lovely. Look at those colors. That is so neat. It's like this raspberry wine color, a deep purple, silver, red, turquoise, and white. Never seen that before. I wonder where that's from. That is so cool. Thank you so much for sending that little goodie along. Oh my gosh, this rosette. This is gorgeous. Look how huge that is. It is the size of my hand. You have to look at that. Look at the thickness there. That is so beautiful. The golds she used are gorgeous. Wow, that is beautiful. That would look so pretty in a wand, as a wand. Very pretty. Thank you so much for that, Donita. This is her bottle brush tree, so I'll do that last. There's a card in here. Oh, she did a little envelope. That is so pretty. My goodness, look at the detail down here, guys. She took these tiny, tiny little, like, seed beads, like smaller than seed beads, and glued them to this Christmas tree. That is so cute. And the cutouts, it's gorgeous with the beautiful pink ribbon, or beautiful red ribbon. Oh my goodness, that is just stunning. I don't know if there's anything in here. I don't want to open it if I don't have to. It's so gorgeous. And this is her card. Look at the vintageness of this. So she's got the gold snowflakes down the side and then the little picture inside. It's like a little vintage photo. That is so beautiful. Wow. And then just the cream colored lace down here. That is gorgeous. Oh, and I can use it. That is so pretty. Thank you so much. This bag is just beautiful. And this is just a lunch bag. Like, you would never believe that this is a brown lunch bag. I don't think there's anything. I don't know if there's something in here or not. I'm going to open it just to make sure that I don't miss something. I would hate to have her have something in here and me not see it. Okay, it is just a like envelope for the card. That is such a pretty way to give it. Ooh, and I think this little gemmy goes on this snowflake. I'm just going to glue that back on. Oh, so pretty. I just love the color she used. Oh, and look at this paper here. I've never seen this before. It's gold foiled brown trees on this aqua color. That's so pretty. All right, so let's get to the star of the show. First of all, this box is amazing. And then she put a coordinating rosette on the top. I'm hoping I can reuse that. Let me see if I can get this off. Oh, I don't even need to, I think, because the box open? Yeah, I do need to take it off. I don't want to wreck anything. And I'm not peeking in. That you guys can see it. I can't see it. So that there's a window there. I do think I have to take it off to open it. Okay, so I salvaged that rosette, so that is perfect. Now I'm going to slowly take the ribbon off. That is some really unique ribbon too. I like that. I love this deep burgundy color. Okay, so I'll open this up now. This is a cool box. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Oh, I knew a jingle bell came off of somewhere. This is stunning. Oh my goodness. I think the bell goes in here. Yep. I think the bell goes there. I'll glue that back on. That is so beautiful. I never would have thought to do this. So her spool is down here and she's got it wrapped with this beautiful white and gold trim. And then she's got the the fluffy snow and this beautiful little cluster down here with the gold bow. And then a bottle brush tree that she has individually glued these tiny little styrofoam balls to. And then she put a stick in the spool and attached her rosette there. So yeah, it's like a miniature version of this humongous wand. That is just beautiful. Donita, thank you so much for this treasure. I can't wait to display this in my craft room. It's absolutely beautiful. Thank you for being my swap partner. I hope you enjoy what I sent you as much as I enjoy what you sent me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This box is just gorgeous. I can't wait to, I don't know if I'll reuse it or put this back inside of it. It looked so pretty peeking out of the acetate, but we'll just set that aside for now. And then we'll get to Tina's little surprise mail here. So she sent me a card. She's using that Simple Stories Farm Fresh collection. I saw a few of her Instagram posts and her YouTube videos on what she was doing. Oh, that's so sweet. Tina, definitely let's do a swap for 2023. She sent these caramel apple Werthers and the pumpkin spice Werthers. I saw these, but I didn't pick them up, but I never saw these. I am so excited to try those, Tina. Thank you so much. Okay, then I have two little packages here. You guys, I will link Tina's information down below. She has YouTube and she has an Instagram. I'm sure most of you are following her already, but I'll link it down below just in case you're not. Oh my goodness, what is all this? You did not send me these bags. I was gonna make some of these after watching your video and you sent me a ton. I'm so excited. Okay, let me get this open. I love glassine bags to begin with, but she embellished these so cool, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, Tina. Look at that. Each one is just like a card. You know what I mean? Like it's just layered and gorgeous, and she sewed around the edges. And then you can put your little fall goodies in here and gift it. I'm definitely going to use these in my next October daily, my junk journal. I'll have to put a few aside for that because they're perfect. You could glue this back down, and then this is just a tuck spot, a slide for your ephemera. That is a beautiful collection. Gosh, I wish I would have picked that one up. I'll have to see if it goes on sale. Oh, the banner and the dots, and then these are, she's got these popped up. So this is just an ephemera piece, and then this is a chipboard piece, but she has that popped up on a bunch of foam. Oh, I love these so much. And then this is a smaller version here, and then these have a tab that you can peel off and seal. Oh, those colors are gorgeous. I love that pink and that aqua together. Oh, and then the hot or kind of deeper pink there. This one's my favorite. Look at how she layered the labels there and the sticker. Oh, these are so cool. Tina, I am so excited you sent these. Here she's got some layered banners and a little acorn with some beautiful floral paper in the back. And she sewed each one of these guys. Little canning jars and then the scale. These are so cute. Thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, and there's more. Oh, a memory decks card. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, so in the back she has this acetate sewn on it, and there's a sequin mix in there. And look at all the fun little sequins. Look at those colors. The turquoise and aqua and pink and yellow and orange. I love it. Oh my gosh, your layering is so good. That is so sweet. And this is Tina's information here, you guys. Like I said, I will link it down below as well, but it's Tina_craft_creations, both on YouTube and on Instagram. That is so cute. Let's see what these are. These look like little ATC cards. Oh, they're vellum shaker pockets. Oh my goodness. These vellum colors are perfect with this collection. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love these so much. These will be such fun layering pieces. Oh my goodness. These are awesome, Tina. Thank you so much, you guys. And then she's got more here. Oh, wow. This is so fun. Oh, she sent me a little N with some, looks like those glitter tubes in there. Some fall leaves from, I think these are Hobby Lobby, I want to say. Oh, and the fall sequins. Oh, she said she found these dies. I have not seen them at my Dollar Tree. I can't wait to try those. Oh, and the rainbows. These are my favorite ephemera pieces. I love the rainbows. And then these beautiful leaves. I did not see these. It's Crafter Square. I've never seen these before with the gold in there. Those are so pretty. Tina, thank you so much. That was such a sweet surprise. You guys check out Tina. I'll leave Donita's information down below if I can find it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I am so ready for Christmas now. I'm in the full Christmas spirit. So Christmas crafting coming very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.